Your neighbors will want to buy it from you. You can make this festive gnome yourself. I'll show you how easy and fun it is to create this holiday decoration. Start by taking a glass bottle. The size depends on how large you want your gnome to be, as the bottle will serve as the base of your design. Next, prepare some branches. Sprigs of thuja, commonly found in gardens, work best for this project. Trim the branches to match the height of the bottle, and cut a few shorter ones as well. Now, attach the trimmed branches to the bottle using floral wire. Green wire works best, as it blends perfectly with the branch color. Cover the entire surface of the bottle with the branches, ensuring it's fully wrapped. Attach the shorter branches to the top part of the bottle. Then, take some red fabric and place it on top of the arrangement, carefully shaping it into the gnome's hat. Use synthetic wadding to create the gnome's beard and tuck it into the red fabric. Next, take a red ornament and hot glue it to the beard to serve as the gnome's signature nose. For added charm, decorate the hat with embellishments of your choice. Finally, spray the entire creation with artificial snow for a wintry touch. This gnome is ready and looks fantastic as a festive decoration both indoors and outdoors.